Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm 10 years old. I'm a student at Jenny English. Today I'm gonna talk about chipmunk. I see a chipmunk tree. It's green and big. I have a snowman. The snowman is white and red. I will give the snowman to my younger sister. I have a Santa Claus. The Santa Claus is black and red and white. I will give a Santa Claus to my younger sister. Thank you for listening. Good night. Share my video. Merry Christmas to goodbye.